2K Profit System Review. Can you really make $2,000 a week? If you've spent any time exploring ways to earn money online, you've probably seen your share of systems promising financial freedom. The 2K Profit System is one such program, boasting a straightforward approach that claims to make you up to $2,000 a week through a 4-step system. With such a bold promise, it's natural to feel both intrigued and skeptical. In this 2K Profit System review, I'll break down how it works, the steps involved, and whether it truly delivers on its promises. What is the 2K Profit System? The 2K Profit System presents itself as a beginner-friendly platform that can potentially yield significant commissions up to $2,000 weekly. The core idea is simple. Follow the 4 outlined steps, utilize the provided resources, and leverage the system's tools to start earning through online sales commissions. When you sign up, you're not just given a dashboard and set adrift. The system assigns you a sponsor, like Tasche, to guide you along the way. With Kurt's 25 years of experience in the online marketing world, the 2K Profit System to help individuals who are new to online business by providing a blueprint for success. How does the 2K Profit System work? The 2K Profit System revolves around a 4-step plan. Create a free account. The first step is simple. You sign up for free and meet your sponsor. Upon signing up, the system offers a $100 hotel savings card as an initial incentive. Follow the 4-step system. Once you're in, the system outlines 4 steps designed to drive traffic to a personalized sales funnel. Through this funnel, you can generate multiple income streams with just a single link. The 2K Profit System also shares their top traffic vendors and advertising methods, helping users drive more traffic and convert sales. Start generating income. The system is built to be automated, meaning you don't need a personal product, a website, or an email list to start earning. The automation handles the selling for you, freeing you to focus on driving traffic, access community support and training. In addition to the tools provided, the system offers weekly team training sessions. Being part of a community where members share insights can be a big confidence booster, especially for newcomers. Can you really earn $2,000 a week? Now, the big question of this 2K Profit System review. Can you truly make $2,000 a week with this system? While $2,000 a week is an impressive amount, it's important to note that your results will heavily depend on your commitment, your approach to driving traffic, and your engagement with the system. The 2K Profit System emphasizes that it's essential to take massive action, which means that without putting in the effort, reaching the higher end of the income spectrum might be challenging. However, with the system's guidance and the support of a mentor like Tasche, there's certainly a foundation in place that can lead to significant earnings for those who are consistent and proactive. What sets the 2K Profit System apart? The 2K Profit System stands out for several reasons. No technical skills required. One of the major selling points is that you don't need a product, technical skills, or a pre-existing audience to succeed. This is great news for beginners who may be intimidated by the idea of building a website or creating content from scratch. Automated traffic solutions. Traffic is often the hardest part of earning online. The 2K Profit System not only provides traffic solutions, but also shares details about their preferred vendors. This can be a big draw for anyone who has struggled with getting views or clicks in the past. Community and training. For many people, starting an online business can feel isolating. The 2K Profit System offers a weekly training session that can help users stay motivated, learn new strategies, and get feedback. Pros and cons of the 2K Profit System. Pros. Low barrier to entry. No upfront costs for signing up make it an accessible option. Step-by-step guidance. The system lays out clear steps to follow, making it beginner-friendly. Mentorship and community. Having a mentor and access to a supportive community can be incredibly valuable. Income potential. Earning $2,000 per week is possible with a proper approach and dedication. Cons. Earnings not guaranteed. Like any online system, income is not guaranteed. and will depend on individual efforts. Reliance on traffic sources. The success of the system largely depends on driving traffic, which can be unpredictable. Potential upsells. While the sign-up is free, there may be upsells or additional investments required as you progress. Is the 2K profit system right for you? This 2K profit system review shows that the program has potential, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. If you're someone who is motivated, ready to learn, and prepared to put in the effort to drive traffic, then this system could work well for you. The emphasis on community and mentorship can also be incredibly helpful for newcomers. However, if you're looking for a get-rich-quick scheme that requires little effort, the 2K profit system may not meet your expectations. Like any business venture, what you put in will often correlate with what you get out. Final thoughts on the 2K profit system. The 2K profit system offers an interesting proposition for those looking to break into the world of online earnings without the usual hurdles of product creation and technical know-how. With promises of up to $2,000 per week and a supportive framework, it has the appeal of a potentially lucrative side hustle or even a full-time income source. In the end, it's all about finding a system that fits your goals and work style. If you're excited about the idea of earning online and willing to follow through with the system's traffic methods, the 2K profit system could indeed be a viable path to making substantial weekly earnings. So, as we wrap up this 2K profit system review, remember that success in online business comes down to commitment, strategy, and persistence. The potential is there, but it's up to you to decide if the 2K profit system is the vehicle to help you reach your financial goals.